Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this TRENDnet 2.5G PoE Injector. Now, if you saw my last video, most likely you saw that I referenced this one. So I wanted to go right ahead and make an unboxing for it. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and get started. So here we have the front of the box. Like I said, this is the TRENDnet 2.5G PoE Injector. So it is PoE plus 30 watt rated. It does have a metal housing. And like I said, it is a 2.5 gig base T port. So that's the front of the box. So we have the back of the box right here. And let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. Okay. First thing we have, of course, we have some documentation, quick installation guide. There we go. Safety notes. It looks like we have basically some rubber feet. So if you do have to put it into, let's just say, on top of a desk or anything like that, it doesn't slip and slide. We do have the power cable right here. And it looks like you can actually mount it to a wall or sheetrock. So we do have that hardware there. And of course, we have the PoE injector right here. Okay, so here we have it unwrapped. So, of course, we do have the PoE data, and then we have, of course, the data. So this would be going to your access point or camera, if that's what you're running this for. And we do have the data port here. The sides, basically, we just have some ventilation holes here. Looks like there's some holes that are actually breathing this right here. The rest of them are not, and the same on this end. And of course, we have the back where you can go right ahead and connect the power. So I just wanted to go right ahead and note the construction is metal, and to actually mount it to, let's just say, the wall or anything like that, you do have the capability to go right ahead and basically mount them here. So it's not open. You can go right ahead and just slide them in and then basically just hang it from the wall. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.